Okay, so this is going to be a raw video of me going through the trades I take every single day and uploading them until I get a payout. So the first trade that I took today was this one. I saw this price going down, sweeping these lows, and then I see this nice candle impulsing up, and I thought, okay, maybe the lows are in. So I initially have this 1 hour target. So, there's a possibility we go up to that point. So with that in mind, I said, okay, I'll enter there and I'll wait. So price kind of started flip-flopping around this area until eventually came over here. Now, when price went over there, I was seeing that these two order blocks right here were getting respected, and it kept pushing down. So at this point in time, what I'm thinking is I wanted to take partials here on this line. I will say, okay, I'm going to take 2 contracts when it reaches this line. This is about 2 risk to reward. And my stop was already moved to around these lows. So technically the trade was risk-free. I wasn't losing much if price came again down there. But then I thought, okay, maybe it's a good idea if I take some profits here on this order block and move the stop a little bit higher, which I think, yeah, it was in this area. Maybe move the stop there, and after that go to the 1 minute, and if you see signs of a reversal or a bottom in, long that with half risk. This way, I can sort of make money at the same time, or if I lose, I have profit secured. So I ended up doing that. I took some profits here, and then price ended up going to my trailed stop loss, and you could see that it had a nice reaction. So with this sort of like bottom and this break of structure here, I initially, when this candle closed, I tried to long this all the way to somewhere here, but I got front run. So I said, okay, I'm going to wait for an order block to form and I'm going to enter there. So this ended up forming, and I had somewhat of a conservative stop loss. So I think it was, the stop was below this candle. So I ended up selling, buying here, right? This is a 2 risk to reward, buying 3 contracts, which is about $125 risk. So I ended up buying here in hopes that we go higher. So just you guys can see, where is it? I was sort of hoping for something like this to happen. If price was really bullish, which was my bias for the day. So, and then again, if price came down to these lows, then it will probably see more downside to it, which ended up happening. So those was the 2 trades that I took today. I guess my bias should have been bearish, but then again, I saw this 4-hour close here, and I was pretty bullish, because, well, this should have been acting as like support here, this candle here, or this one right here. So I was bullish and I was expecting something at max like this again, which ended up not happening, at least not now. We're sweeping those lows and reaching this fair value gap, but that's me done for the day. We ended up with a profit of, let me check, 174, after being up like 398. That second loss basically wiped off half of the profits of today. So, but it's okay. Yeah, I guess this is the video, and tomorrow I'll update you guys again.